ब्रेकफास्ट में एक फ्रेंच टोस्ट मिल जाए, वो जो रिट्स में मिलता है ना फ्रेंच टोस्ट, ओ माय गॉड, विद द ब्रियोश ब्रेड, देन दैट वुड बी लाइक
That would be
reminiscing the good old days, remembering to forget all the bad ones. I remember when college seemed so important, but is it worth it? Been wondering what truly matters to me. I know for sure it's not a fancy degree. I'd like to do what I love, but what if I'm not good enough? Split personality, sometimes sour, sometimes sweet. And M. Night Shyamalan